Shopify store setup. Avoid these common mistakes. Most people set up a Shopify store, and then it just sits there. Crickets, no sales, no traffic. Starting any business is scary, especially when you think easy money. But they miss the crucial steps that make or break a store. Today, I'm breaking down how to set up a Shopify website the right way, step by step. We're going to avoid all the common traps that kill most stores before they even make a single dollar. Ready to build a store that actually converts? Let's fix that. First things first, the Shopify plan. Don't overthink it, especially when you're starting out. The basic Shopify plan, it's more than enough. You get your online store, a secure checkout system, discount codes, everything you need to start selling. Focus on what matters, launching and getting those first few sales under your belt. Sign up for the basic plan, and let's move on to the fun stuff. Let's talk about Shopify themes, the digital storefront of your business. Fancy doesn't always equal functional. A cluttered, confusing theme can tank your conversion rates. People buy from sites they trust, sites that are easy to navigate. Stick to clean, proven themes. Shopify's Free Dawn theme is fast, mobile-friendly, and designed for conversions. If you have a budget, check out themes like Impulse, designed with sales in mind. Always preview the theme with dummy content. See how it flows before you commit. Make your website inviting and easy to use, and watch those sales roll in. Now let's inject some personality into this thing. Head over to the customization section and make this store yours. First up, your logo. Canva is your best friend, free, easy to use, and you can whip up a professional-looking logo in minutes. Next, brand colors and fonts. Keep it simple, keep it consistent. 2 fonts max, one for headings, one for body text. Essential pages, a killer home page, a shop page, an about page, and a contact page. Keep it clean. No clutter, no carousels from 2012, just a smooth, enjoyable shopping experience. A confused mind never buys. Make it easy for people to find what they need. They'll reward you with those sweet, sweet conversions. Let's move on to adding products. Let's get down to business. Adding your products. Head over to products. Add product. First impressions matter, so use high-quality images. If you're dropshipping, mock-ups are your friend. Write clear, concise copy that highlights the benefits of your product. Sell the experience, set your price. Factor in your costs, margins, and the perceived value of your product. Don't forget inventory and shipping options. Add variants if you have different sizes or colors. Always preview how it looks on mobile. That's where the majority of shopping happens these days. Make it seamless, make it easy. Watch those add to carts pile up. Now let's set up payments and shipping. Time to make sure you actually get paid for all your hard work. Head over to Settings. Payments. Shopify Payments is usually the easiest option. Connect your PayPal account if you prefer. Head to Shipping and Delivery, and choose the option that makes the most sense for your business. Offer free shipping if you can. It's a huge conversion booster. Trust me, people love free shipping. We're almost there. It's time to give your Shopify store a name and a place to live on the internet. Head over to the domain settings and buy a custom domain. Shopify makes it super easy. A custom domain instantly makes your store look more professional and trustworthy. Before you hit that launch button, preview everything. Go through your entire website as if you were a customer. Click on every link, test the checkout process, make sure everything works flawlessly. Double, triple check the mobile view. Once you're 100% satisfied, take a deep breath and hit that launch button. Congratulations, you've built something real and you're ready to start making those sales. You did it! You've built a clean, functional Shopify store that's ready to start raking in those sales, but this is just the beginning. Now the real fun starts, driving traffic, building your brand, and turning those casual browsers into loyal paying customers. That's where the real money is made, building a brand that people know, love, and trust. If this video saved you time, money, and a whole lot of headache, smash that like button and let me know. Subscribe for more actionable strategies to help you succeed in the world of e-commerce.